Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about something that isn't really talked about very often. But that basically is like natural mascara that doesn't really make you look like you're wearing too much makeup. And yeah, today I'm basically going to be covering the topics as fast as I can and going over clear mascara and brown mascara. So for starters, let's go over clear mascara. So clear mascaras are basically mascaras with no pigment, mascaras that don't have color. And these often will help basically work as like hair gel, but for your lashes. I use them a lot whenever I want my lashes to look crimped or just to look a little grouped together, give it that wet effect. Here, I'll show you guys really quickly what I am talking about with the Diamond Mascara from Physicians Formula. This will group together your lashes and give you a very natural looking finish. While not looking like you're wearing mascara at all, to be honest. I use this on days when I'm not wearing any other makeup so I don't throw off my entire face just by having like super bright mascara, because I feel like whenever I'm wearing a black mascara, it washes out my skin tone and honestly just makes me look a little crazy. So there we are. After I crimp my lashes, it hold that curl a little better as well. So basically a clear mascara will just hold your lashes up, give you a little bit of a push, kind of like a temporary lash perm or like a temporary curl. And it'll keep you looking with a curled lash without doing too much. Now let's talk about brown mascara. So brown mascara will often look good on hair types such as mine with brown hair. Oftenly with lighter hair types or brown hair types, black mascara will make you look like you're washed out. But yeah, I like to use this e.l.f. Lash Allowed mascara that's brown. And that will basically give me the look of longer lashes and fuller lashes, the same effects as the mascara, without making me look crazy. So let me show you guys. This will fill up my lashes, make them look super fluffy. As you guys can see right there. That's from one coat of the brown mascara. As you guys can tell, it doesn't wash me out. It just looks like my lashes are fuller. It makes them look like they're longer. And it doesn't give me that weird reflect onto my skin that makes it look like I'm washed out. But yeah, these are the two mascaras that I would definitely recommend using to anyone who is looking for a natural mascara or a natural makeup look without having to go with a modern black mascara that's just gonna wash you out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I just wanted to go over the factors of mascara alternatives for people looking for more of a natural look. This is the clear mascara and then a brown mascara. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more beauty and makeup tips, tutorials, and transformations, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.